In this video, we're going to be learning about cumulative frequency graphs. A cumulative frequency graph is great for getting other statistical values from it, like the median, lower quartile, or upper quartile. But in order to construct a cumulative frequency graph, we need to first of all keep a running total of all frequencies. So for the score, from 2 to 4, I can see that if I was going to accumulate the frequency, the frequency is 3. But from 2 all the way up to 6, it has a cumulative frequency of 3 plus 6, which is 9. I've added the 3 and the 6 together. From 2 all the way up to 8, I can see that it's got a cumulative frequency of 3 plus 6, which is 9, add on the 1, which is then 10. These are my cumulative frequency values. In order to construct a cumulative frequency graph, though, we take the upper bound of each interval and plot it against the values that we've just worked out. So some of the points that I will plot will be 4, 3, 6, 9, and 8, 10. Plotting these points on my axis, there's one final point I'd like to plot, 2, 0. This is the lowest score possible. For each of the points, what we tend to do is draw with a nice smooth curve through all of the points. This is now my cumulative frequency graph. Now, like I said at the start of the video, a cumulative frequency is great for calculating other statistical measures. So for instance, like the median. In this question I had 10 values. To calculate the middle value, you add 1 and divide by 2. This gives me 5.5. So I'm after halfway in between the 5th and 6th value. There were 10 people altogether in this diagram. If I read across from 5.5 to my cumulative frequency, and I then read down, I get a value of roughly 4.8. This is my median